Hi everyone, this is PingPing, Priscilla. In Taiwan or China, when kids are in elementary school, they probably all know how to recite a very famous poem from Tang Dynasty, which is written by Li Shen, showing sympathy with the peasants. The poem's meaning is like this. When the peasants are getting rid of the weeds in the paddy fields, their sweat runs down and mixed with the soil. Do you know that each grain of rice in your bowl is the result of their hardship and toil? So today I want to make a rice dish, which is simple but super delicious shrimp fried rice. First of all, let's prepare a few spices. One of the very important elements to make good fried rice is to bring out the aroma from the green onions. Today, I'm still using the green onions from my own backyard. Since I just picked them, I can smell the fragrance from its freshness. We know to include green onions in our daily cooking has a lot of great health benefits. Also, it can always stimulate our appetite. Who can cook well without ever using ginger? I love ginger, so when I cook many dishes, I often like to use ginger to get rid of the fishy smell and enhance the flavors. As early as Confucius' time, the Analects of Confucius already recorded his point of view. Don't throw away any food with ginger. Ginger is also widely used in Chinese medicine. You may have seen many reports that the nutritional value of organic eggs is no different from regular eggs. I am more sensitive to the smell of eggs, so I prefer to use organic eggs to do my cooking. There are varied ingredients you can use to make your fried rice. I used to live in Taiwan, and Taiwan is surrounded by ocean. Therefore, I can always enjoy a lot of fresh seafood. But now, I live in the middle part of the United States, and it's really hard to find fresh seafood around me. So today, I use frozen shrimp to be my main ingredient. And I noticed the cooking time is about twice longer than cooking the fresh shrimp. In addition, we need salt, white and black pepper, soy sauce, and wine as our seasonings. Now the prep works are done, let's start to make our fried rice. First of all, let's heat up the pan and add some oil and stir fry the eggs. Some people would choose to pour eggs directly onto the rice and stir fry, but personally, I prefer to separate them. So my rice will remain white color and seems drier. But this is just personal preference. If you have opportunities, maybe you can try both ways and see which way you prefer more. Look at this beautiful color of the scrambled eggs. We can already predict the fried rice will be so delicious. Just by looking at it, I'm already very hungry. Now, let's add more oil to stir fry the ginger and green onions until you smell the aroma. Then, we are going to cook the shrimp. Just like I mentioned previously, there are varied ingredients you can use to make your fried rice. If you don't like seafood, you can use meat like pork, chicken, and beef. If you are a vegetarian, you can choose tofu or any other vegetables you like. Now, I have added a tablespoon of wine into the pan. Look at the heat from the pan. Make the wine drops jump up and down happily. It gives me a feeling that when I seriously put in my best effort to make my food, the ingredients will also present their best flavors to me. Good quality shrimp has natural sweetness, so we only need to add some salt, white pepper, or black pepper to taste. And remember, no need to add too much because at the end, we will add some soy sauce to finalize the flavors. When the shrimp turns beautiful color and almost fully cooked, you can take them out and set them aside. And at the same time, the pan is still hot. We will put in ginger and stir fry until you smell the aroma, and then it's the time to stir fry the white rice. Talking about rice, you probably know that rice is one of the main food for Chinese and Taiwanese people. How to cook the best rice is also a good question. We know the ratio of water when cooking rice will also affect the texture of the rice. When you cook rice, if you don't put enough water, then the rice won't be fully cooked. But too much water, then the rice will be too soft. Therefore, the moisture in the rice becomes one of the most important factors for making good fried rice. And maybe you have heard this before. Making fried rice is best to use with overnight rice because the water from the overnight rice has evaporated a lot. Now, I'm still adding some wine to the rice. Even the wine quickly volatilized, but the aroma of wine has already been wrapped in the rice. We have already prepared all the ingredients for making the fried rice in advance. Now we just need to put in all the cooked ingredients into the pan and continue to stir fry. And until the shrimp and eggs are evenly combined with the white rice, then we can put in chopped green onions. Chopped green onions not only add charming color to the fried rice, it also brings out the wonderful green onion fragrance. When I shop and cook, I often like to spend my money on high-quality natural ingredients than spending money on all kinds of seasonings in bottles and jars. Now, I just lightly seasoning the fried rice with salt, white pepper, and black pepper. After all, the greatest joy to enjoy gourmet food is to able to taste the true flavor of the ingredients and not the taste from the seasonings. At last, we will add in soy sauce on the side of the pan, and instantly you can smell the strong fragrance and aroma from the heated soy sauce, and that's a very important key to make a very delicious fried rice. Look at this delicious shrimp fried rice. When you eat it, you can feel a hint of wine and a hint of sweetness in your mouth. Even though this is a simple dish, but it can certainly warm your heart and satisfy your stomach. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell. I will see you next time.